Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday everybody. We're going to do something, get on video once in a while. Just go to the store trying to find something to cook. So, you just kind of peruse through the meat section and see if you can find something. Anyway, I found a couple of nice black Angus filets, man. Y'all check these out. About 1.5 pounds each. But, man, look at that. I don't know if y'all see how thick that is. I found 2 of those, man. It's got decent marble, soft meat, so that's really good. And then I also found you got a couple of big steaks. You need a couple of big potatoes. How you like that? That's huge, man. Look at that. Anyway, y'all come down here. Let's get these things seasoned up. Today I'm going to be using the Kosmos Q cow color. This is really good stuff, y'all. Really good stuff. So many good rubs out there. Let's get a little closer here. And I'm going to put just a light dusting on Miss Carrie's. Make sure we get all the sides. You know how that is. I'm going to leave a little fat knot in there to help hold this thing together. I mean, it's real soft, y'all. Well, that's hers and this is Moonshine's here. Yeah, baby. You know how we like to roll. Make sure it's seasoned up good. Alright, gang. Got that did. We're going to ease outside and we'll be cooking these off on the Weber. I'm going to go ahead and get the Weber fired up and get these big potatoes on there. So we can let them go. They're probably going to take close to probably 1.5 hours or so. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less, depending on the temp. We usually run about 350. So anyway, let me get that going. I'll meet y'all outside. Alright, y'all welcome back. The potatoes are about 1 hour in. I got some Pepperjack bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. We're gonna hit them with a little bit of Uncle Steve's Gator shake, baby. Go get you some. Y'all check out my boy Steve, man. He got some excellent rubs and stuff there. So a little bit of that Gator shake. We're gonna go get these on the pit. I'll meet y'all outside. Alright, y'all. Flip these over. Hot for hot. I'll put them on this side over here. We can do it fast. That's alright. Alright. Let's take and put our poppers on here. Alright, there's a couple of them. We'll get the rest of these on here again and we'll be back. Alright, man. There we go. Ooh, man, them poppers look good. Let's check our taters while we're here. Oh, yeah. I think about 10 more minutes they'll be done, y'all. It's almost 2 hours on these things. They're so big. Anyway, we'll pull these poppers off. We'll go inside and grab our steaks. Alright, here you go, gang. Give it a little press. Give it a little press. We're gonna go a couple of minutes on each side. Alright, y'all. A couple minutes on that side. Let's flip these bad boys over. They're pressed down. And I did put a little pecan smoke on it. A couple minutes on that side, y'all. Alright, a couple minutes on that side there, and what we're going to do is we're going to give them a twist, y'all. Decent grill marks there. A couple of minutes on that side. These are so thick, they ain't going to hurt anything. Alright, we'll be back in a couple. Alright, 2 minutes is up. Let's check out some temp right quick. We're only temping at about, oh, this is about 96, about 80. 89, okay. I'm gonna move these to the outside. I'm gonna flip it again. We're gonna move it way to the outskirts here. Alright. We'll come check on them in just a minute. Alright, gang, let's see what we did. We're about 7 more minutes. Let's see how we temping. 128. I don't know if y'all can see that. 128. Yeah, 128. Alright, let me get these pulled off of here and get them inside and let them rest a minute. Alright, y'all, we got steaks pulled off. We're going to let them rest. Back in a minute. Miss Carrie cut hers in half. Look at that, how pretty. Alright, I'm going to cut mine open here in just a minute. Let's see if we can get this thing cut up a little bit, y'all. Go straight down the middle with it. Oh my goodness. There you go, folks. Nice, huh? Y'all see that? Let's get us a slice of this. Nice and medium rare. Let's get a little bite of that. Like butter, y'all. You can't beat the old Weber. And some pecan smoke on some steak, man, that is so good. Hell yeah. Nice, tender, juicy. I want some of this end piece right here. Cheers, y'all. Oh yeah. And again, there's the other one. That's so nice, y'all. Gosh, nice and juicy. Kosmos Q. That's some good stuff, man. Alright, let me get plated up and get y'all some pics. Load this big old baked potato up. And y'all have a great weekend. Thank y'all for joining me again. Bon appetit, man. See y'all later. Bye-bye.